It does turn a little bit, doesn't it? Can I have some more bullets?
No.
What? No, I'm taking the gun and I'm getting the bullets.
Okay, go get them.
And I'm going to start shooting you.
Okay.
Damn. Bushel, dude. It's a bushel and a half of it. I didn't eat shit last night.
I want some
I
oysters.
had one. I hardly...
Open them.
No, they just smell.
No, they're good, dude.
Yeah.
They're close. They're fine.
You want to play Airsoft?
No, because you wouldn't let me shoot any bullets. You're mean.
I got an Airsoft team. I'm not letting you see me. Okay, well, I got an Airsoft team. My one friend on my Airsoft team is all the way across town. My other one is at his house. Can't have any wars with other teams because it's Sunday. 4 something, 5 something. I don't know. About to eat some oysters, I guess. I don't know. It's all night. Yep. There's my CO2. I really don't. Just got it. Yeah. So I'll show you videos next time. Bye. It might be an airsoft war. Be the cool part.